Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to calendar. Let's go ahead and get your calendar out and get ready to start. Every week has 7 days. See how many you can say. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, a day to play. And today is this day of the week, and I see that digraph at the beginning. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday, now we're done. Oh, what fun. And let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 2 tens, 3 loose ones. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, April 23, April 23. 2020, 2020, that's the date, that's the date. Let's go ahead and take a look outside at the weather, and I'm looking at my dining room window. It's pretty windy, but the sun is shining. So let's go ahead and talk about our graph and figure out which color it's going to be for today. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink, blue, purple, pink, blue, purple, pink, blah, blah, blah. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, blah, blah, blah. Here we go. Sunny. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink. Blue. Good job. It's a blue day on our graph. So now let's look at our calendar. What kind of weather have we had the most of in the month of April so far? We have a tie because both sunny and cloudy have the same number of days. They both have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. What kind of weather have we had the least of? That's right, rainy. We've only had one little rainy day when I've been doing calendar. Anybody have a birthday? Not that I know of, but we have some coming up in May. Anybody lose a tooth? Haven't gotten any emails yet, but maybe somebody else will have one soon. Let's turn the page and add a box. And let's get ready. Count, count, count by tens, count, count, count by tens, count, count. Count by tens, I can count to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is our goal. Yeah! Let's go ahead and count how many days we've been in school. We've got one big group of 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. And how will we write 136? Remember, you start with the biggest, go to the next size, and then down to the smallest. So we've got one great big group of 100, 100, 1, 2, 3 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loose ones. 100, 3 tens, 6 loose ones. 100, 3 tens, 6 loose ones. Great. You can put your calendar away for today. We're not going to need it. We're going to talk more about math facts, and today we're going to focus on just the +2 facts, and we're going to play a game. Of course, I have to play by myself because Mr. Gardner and Josh and Kirsten, nobody will come down to play with me, so I have to play it by myself. But that's okay. They all have work to do as well. We're going to play a game called Kaboom today. you're going to need crayons and some dice. To play this game, one of my players, my player 1 is going to be a blue color and player 2 is going to be this purple color. Okay, so I'm going to roll the dice, count how many dots I have, and then add 2 more. And I will color in the space that represents the number that I rolled. The first person to cover all of the spaces wins. So we're just going to play, I'm not going to play the whole game because that'll take a while, okay? But I'm going to roll my dice, and I have 6 plus 5 more is 11. So 11 plus 2 more, 11, 12, 13. So for player 1, I'm going to color in box number 13. Because 11 plus 2 equals 13. You just count on 2 spaces. We can grab and count on if we need to. 11, 12, 13. Both ways work. Here we go for player 2. And I have 5 plus 3 is 8. So now 2 more after 8. 8, 9, 10. You just keep counting on. So I'm going to color in the spot that says 10. And now I have 6 plus 5 more is 11. 11, 12, 13. And I don't get to color anything in because my blue player has already colored in 13. Okay, let's, whoop. I just dropped one of the dice. Okay, here we go. Let's roll for the purple player. And we have 6 plus 3 is 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 1 more is 10, plus another one is 11. So we'll color in 11 for my purple friend. Now you don't have to print this. You can just make it yourself at home. Just get out a piece of paper and draw a huge rectangle and make spots just like we have here. And I'm drawing the top one because I can do it just on my own. I do not have to print if I don't want to, or if I can't, because you might be running out of ink. I know that I am. And now I have all of these spaces, and I could just color in space number 13 if I were the blue player, because that's the one that I've already found. Okay? You don't have to print. So now it's my blue player's turn. I'm going to roll the dice, and I have 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 more. 2 plus 1 more is 3 plus another one is 4. So I'll color in my 4 space. And now my purple friend. 6, 7, 8 plus 2 more. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 more is 10. Let's color in the, oh boy, I already colored it in. So I can't color in again. 6, 7, 8. We just solved that. 8 plus 2 more. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 after 9 is 10. Excellent. And for my purple player, I have 2, 3. 3 plus 2 more. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus another one is 5. Okay, and you just keep playing that game. Just adding 2 more. Add 1, go to the next number, and then go to the next number. That's all we're doing with our plus 2 facts today. Have fun playing that game with somebody. But now it's time to work on our math sprint for today, our plus 2 facts. Okay? Now remember, you have to try to, not today, but eventually you have to be able to solve all of these in 3 minutes. Okay? The 0 facts are easy and the 1 facts are easy, but the 2 facts might get a little hard. So it's okay if it takes a little bit longer than 3 minutes right now. By the end of kindergarten, you should be able to answer this whole column in 3 minutes. Now, we're adding 2, and just like we talked about yesterday, it doesn't matter if you start with this part or this part. Start with one of the parts, but if you start here, you have to count on 5 more. And that's not adding 2, so I'm going to start at the 5 and add 2 more to it. So I know that 5 plus 1 is 6, plus another one is 7. 2 plus 2. I want you not to use your fingers. If you want to grab and count on, that's fine, but I don't want you to have 2 and 2 out and then go 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to use the strategies of thinking in your head, because these should be immediate math facts, just like a sight word. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another one is 4. 2 plus 8. Well, if I start here, then I have to add on 8 more, so that's just going to take too long. I want to try to make my math facts fast, so I'm going to start with the 8 and add 2 to it. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus another one is 10. 2 plus 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. 2 plus 1. That's an easy fact for us because we know the plus 1 facts. It's just the number that comes right after 2. So 2, 3. Good job. 2 plus 4. Just like with some of the other ones, I'm going to start with the 4 and add 2 to it. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6 because it's the very next number. 2 plus 7. Start with the 7. That was really smart. That's the number you should start with. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Great. 2 plus 0. Oh, that was one of the easy ones because I know anytime I add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. So it's 2. 2 plus 6. Start with the 6 and add on 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. And my last one, 2 plus 3. Start at the 3 and add 2 more. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. Excellent. Now I want you to get ready to do this on your own with your own piece of paper, and hopefully somebody can time you. If you can't print this, you can just write these math facts on a piece of scrap paper. It doesn't have to look like this. Okay? Friday is a baking day, which is tomorrow. Yeah, so that's going to be pretty exciting. It's a baking day. I wonder what we're going to bake. I'm supposed to have a special helper, but I don't know if this special helper is going to get up to help me make it. So I hope you have fun making what we make on Friday. I'll see you Friday. Bye.